Crete Bear Cave refers to the Panagia Arkoudiotissa Cave, also called Arkoudospilios or Bear Cave, located on the Akrotiri peninsula near Chania, Crete.
This is the road, or the trail, to go to Gouverneto Monastery. It's beautiful again. The Bear Cave. It's nice and cool in here.
The cave is named for a bear-shaped stalagmite inside and has been a sacred site since ancient times, originally dedicated to the goddess Artemis and later to the Virgin Mary. It is accessible on foot via a path from the Gouverneto Monastery.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.